Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's December 17 and this is episode 4 of my road to the Arnold. And you can see I just woke up, it's still morning here. And today I'm so excited because this is one of the the video that you guys ask me more for. It's the full day of eating. So today I'm gonna show you guys everything that I eat from the time I wake up until my last meal, okay? So this one already woke up, Ayla is still sleeping. She already got a bottle, but she's ready for breakfast. So I'm just gonna prepare my breakfast and her breakfast and show you guys what I eat in the morning. So let's go. Eggs. Okay, one whole egg. So for breakfast I have 4 egg whites and one whole egg. And I use the like jumbo eggs. Okay, now, so I'm using a three-quarter cup. Just warm it up together. It's better that way. I like to make it very creamy, so I like it to, like 2 minutes, and then sometimes I just mix with a spoon, and then I do like 1 more minute, so it grows. For my eggs, I do a little bit of avocado oil, just a little bit of sea salt. Nice and creamy. Some stevia. Lisa's egg. Okay. Still, sometimes she sleeps until 9:30, sometimes until 10. I always try to get my breakfast before she wakes up, because after that, it's just like I have my hands full until the babysitter gets here. For Alisa, put it here so it gets cold before I give it to her. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. It's just, I wake up and I'm like, breakfast. Take care of babies and then breakfast.
No, no.
Ela sentou junto com a mamãe. Finish this breakfast before I go get her. So now, 11 a.m. I'm a little late on meal too. I usually have that meal around 10:30, 10:45. But it's just a chicken, sweet potato. That's the boniato potato that I told you guys about. And I just had some lettuce, just, like to have something fresh and crunchy. So let's prepare that. Trifecta chicken. And we had a potato, lettuce. Chicken's almost ready. Smells good. Okay. 4 ounces. So let's see if we can. Okay. You too. Yeah, amor. Aqui, ó. Aqui, ó. Isso, sempre. Escorrega, escorrega. Aí. Oh, meu Deus, que delícia. Que delícia. Que delícia. Partiu ela?
É, tá partindo até mais do que metade.
Hã?
Tipo, 4.
Isso, aham. Nham, 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 nham. Que delícia. 2 grãos. Let it go, let it go. Ah. Muito bem, viva! Muito bem. Né? So now get ready to go to the gym. I usually go after my meal 3, but today I need to do my nails. So I need to go a little earlier to the gym and train, and then I'll have my meal 3 right after, and then do my nails, okay? So I'll prepare the meal and have on the go. So I'm eating a little bit less rice. I'll explain everything how my diet is. But still a lot of calories. A little less. Just a little bit more. 115 grams. Ready? Quer? Hã? Alissa, quer? Ai, tá quente. Sopra. Sopra, 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 sopra. Tá quente. Sopra, 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 sopra. Isso. Tá quente, tá quente. Ai, ai, meu Deus. Okay. Okay. And wow! Pula, pula! Olha! Quem é essa? Quem é? Peraí, Ayla. Peraí, ó. Oi, 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 oi. Peraí, peraí, mamãe ainda vai achar ela. Vou te mostrar. Ah, aqui, mamãe. É mamãe?
Aquele com pequeno.
É, com biquíni. Aqui. Aqui. Aqui você. Você e mamãe, a Ayla lá atrás, ó. Legal? Ó. Quem é essa aqui? Quem é essa? Isso. Não, aqui. Quem é aqui, ó? Uau! Que linda! I'll also take this protein to go. 1 scoop of my buck feed whey protein. This is great for right after my workout, so it's faster protein to feed the muscles. So I'll take this with me. And I'll add 1 scoop of glutamine to this protein, because I also like, I like to take glutamine right after my workout too, and before bed. So this way, you know, like we don't risk losing muscle. And I'll take this before my workout and this during my workout. It's a lot, but the supplements, you know, like it's what makes your physique even better, you know, like and gives you more energy and more strength, you know, like during the workout, and it's the best way to feed the muscle too, you know, like the whey proteins, like, you know, super easy, super fast, and you know, is that super fast protein right after workout. So this, and I also take a pre-workout, but today I'm not gonna take because I had a little bit too much coffee, you know, this morning. So no pre-workout today. I'm already like, you know, like really feeling the energy. So, and this BCAA actually also helped me with a lot of energy during my workout. So, you know, loving this one. It's so cool. This was a gift from Fit Body Fusion, the company, the coaching company that I work with. They sent me this, I think it was last week, saying IFBB Pro, Angélica Teixeira, Miss Olympia. So cool. I love it. So now just get my BCAAs ready to go. And if you want to get Bucket Up supplements, you can use code Angelica with capital A, and you get 20% off. Tchau, Ayla. Tchau, Ayla. Ayla, tchau.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now.
Back workout done. It was a good workout. Now I'm just gonna do my protein shake. I just got this new flavor, vanilla, and it's so good. I love it. Also my glutamine too, it's in here. That's why I'm warm up my food, see if I can get these nails done. I'll take this meal to go, so I can eat in around like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so the protein shake can digest a little bit. Then I'll have my meal. Finally, let's get the meal in. So it's kind of like my lunch, meal 3, that I showed you guys, at home. So it's 115 grams of rice, 4 ounces of sirloin steak from Trifecta, and a 2 ounce and a half of broccoli. Really good. Just like white rice for faster carbs after training, and the steak, this has a little bit more fat and B12. So I'm hungry. I'll call Marco. I miss him. Hey, my love.
Hey, Malcolm.
Meu amor.
Are you guys recording?
Say hi.
Hello.
E aí, tudo bem?
Tudo bem? Fazendo um exercíciozinho aqui pra ir pra casa.
Ah, é? Que hora você vai vir?
Ah, another hour. I'll leave.
Another hour?
Cheguei às 5, por aí.
I'll do my nails now, and then I'm gonna go home. See you. And the babies. Tá bom?
Tá bom.
Então tá, meu amor.
Não amanhã, não.
Okay, hold on. Show it again. Show it again.
Just jealous.
Marcus competing at the Arnold too. Look. He's getting strong, guys.
Yeah.
He's coming for the open bodybuilder title. Classic. Ok, meu amor, beijo. Te amo. Tchau, baby. Com Deus. Tchau. Almost done. Gotta get the last piece of rice. Done. Uh-huh. Yeah, just for me. What color should I do? Purple. My color? No. I'm confused. I think I'll have this one. I'll have the same. I don't really know what color is this, but maybe more white. Thank you. We can do that. I think I like that better, yeah. Yeah, team. Uh-huh, yeah.
Làm được cái đầu vỗ của ai nè. Better for you.
Huh?
Better for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Ep4 chị kìa.
Thank you. Okay, see you next time. Okay, thank you. Hi, thank you. Anna Daltro. Hi, babe. So, did you like my pictures I took this morning?
Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah?
I love it. I'm impressed, babe.
Oh,
No, honestly, your
yeah.
progress
I am
is
too.
amazing.
I am too.
I even put it together, the last Arnold prep and your last progress picture that you
Yeah.
sent to me today. Oh my god, I'm shocked.
Yeah.
I think I need to have a babe. That is the thing.
Have what?
Because your body is responding so well.
Yeah,
You
it's
know,
like after 2 babies, I didn't expect that, and wow.
I'm impressed. That
Yeah.
just, giving me a very good feeling about, your season, about Arnold and all the challenge you have because your body is gonna be in the best. It's unbelievable. You're almost 40, 2 kids. Babe, we got this.
We got this, yeah. So for you guys, this is Anna Daltro. She's one of my best friends. She was a competitor for years. Like she won many overalls with the NPC. Almost got her pro card, but then she stopped before she, like she could get her pro card. But she's a pro. And she's a coach also. She coaches girls. Gets girls ready for stage, and also she's a personal trainer, so she knows what's the deal. And she's my second eye for this prep. I'm coaching myself, so I need someone, to be there, kind of like looking, someone that I can take my pictures and send to and share and kind of like comment on them, and what we need to improve. And she's been, she was always there, and more now than ever, because I'm coaching myself, she's the one that is there. Okay, I think we need to, like keep pushing, or okay, let's, so we kind of like talk and we come to, like understand what we should do, moving forward. So keep doing what we're doing, right, amiga?
Yeah. I feel
Yeah.
so blessed to be, first to be one of your best friends. You, of course, you are my person. You are definitely one of my best friend. And it's amazing to be part of your journey and see how, everything is coming together. Even the bikini division right now, I feel they are in a special moment. And I think your comeback is gonna come in the perfect time.
Yeah.
And it's why you and I, we are taking this very serious. We are looking for, see what the judges, want to see on the stage and to
Yeah.
give the best to you, to our clients, because I do have clients also who do bikini. And thank you for choosing me to be your second eyes, to be part of the journey. Is always the best experience to learn with you, and I feel very blessed for it. So
Oh, you're
I love
welcome,
you,
amiga.
amiga.
Love you too. Thank you for being here for me always, okay?
Forever.
Forever and ever. Okay, now I need to hang up. I'm late with my babysitter. She's gonna kill me. Tava,
Alright, I love
tava
you.
fazendo minha unha e agora tô chegando em casa, viu?
Ai, ficou legal, hein?
Ah.
Nossa! Tava nem esperando isso. Só o inglês aqui, bora!
Menina, seu inglês tá pocando, hein? Que isso,
Melhor,
hein?
né, amiga?
Tá,
Pelo
tá
menos
sim, tá.
não tá tão feio, né? Tô
Não, tá
melhor.
não. Então tá, meu amor, tô chegando aqui, tá?
Tá bom, eu
Um
te amo,
beijo, te
viu?
amo, viu?
Um beijo, tá muito, muito, muito foda essas fotos. Sempre
Nó.
me manda.
Vou
Não vi
botar
a
pro pessoal
oportunidade
ver no
de ver.
YouTube um pouquinho as fotos.
Isso.
Isso,
Boa,
é.
Marquinhos.
Isso. Deixa eles acompanharem o progresso.
E é
Yeah, I'll
isso,
put the
amiga, né?
pictures
Pra
for you
ver.
guys to see, okay? I'll give it to
Yeah.
Christian, my videographer. She's gonna do that so you guys can see. Ok, amiga?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Te amo.
Também. Tchau, amiga.
Beijo, amiga.
Beijo.
Tchau.
Tchau. She's amazing. You know, like someone that has like a good energy. She's Brazilian, of course, you can see by her accent, but her English improved so much. I'm proud of her. Fica, você tá de pocotó. Você tá de pocotó. Amor. Peraí.
Aí ela grita.
Que é isso? O que você quer? Hã? O quê? Make some coffee. So now meal four. Meal four, I always like to make a pancake, like I told you guys about. It's oats, banana, egg whites, and I put some cinnamon and stevia, and then some almond butter, or you can use peanut butter on top. It's so good. So I'll use 5 egg whites. É, meu amor. 5. Half a cup of oats. One banana. Then I will add some cinnamon. A little bit of salt. And stevia. Cadê a Alissa? Achou! Viva! Pronto. Não. With one hand. We got it! Yay! Okay? The judge say I have big arms now. It's your fault. Because I need to be holding you like this all day. Huh? Yeah! Yeah. So good, look. 16 grams of almond butter. Well, 17, it's fine. 1 gram not hurt me, não. Peraí, Alice, dá aqui, mamãe. Daqui. Mamãe vai colocar pra você.
Comeu pouquinho.
Vai comer tudinho? Calma, tem que ser devagar isso aqui. Não pode comer demais, não. Só um pouquinho. Que delícia, mamãe. Brownie, place. Vai, place.
Cadê um beijo, papai, hein?
Place. Fala oi pro meu YouTube.
Oiê!
Fala assim, hi YouTube. Fala assim, hi YouTube.
Oiê!
Ontem nem vi a carinha dele.
Olha que legal, os dinossauros.
Never disappoints. So good. While I eat, I answer some emails, checking with some clients. There's just a message. There's just like answering some questions.
Perninha da Alissa, Ayla. Tá tudo bem,
Work.
Alissa. Ela é levinha. Vira lá fora.
Sapatinho.
Cachorro igual.
Ah, ela tá com sono.
Brody. Tá. Alice vai dançar? Let it go. Você vai dançar?
Okay, just came in the mail. I'm eating so much chicken right now. Love it. Okay, this will last for a week. Yes, for a week. Okay, guys, time for meal 5. Already relaxed a little bit, took a shower, and okay, time to eat again. So now my next meal will be chicken, like same, almost, actually the same as my second meal. So it's chicken, sweet potato. I use the boniato potato, and spinach with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Okay. This is the chicken that I prepared earlier. 4 ounces of this is the boniato potato. See, it's white inside. It's so good. It's sweet. So good. Better to have more than less, right? Right there, perfect.
Olha, não tá dando certo.
Just add some spinach. I never really measure my spinach. I say 1 cup, but I go by eye. Super low calories, so it's not a big deal. A little bit of balsamic vinegar.
YouTube.
Meal 5. Queijinho? Olha a Alice. Pocotó. Pocotó. Pocotó, 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 pocotó. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
It's shower and nap time, right? Not nap, bedtime. Dá tchau, dá. Fala, eu vou dormir. It's bedtime. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. Dá tchau. Dá. Okay, baby's in bed. Now it's time for my last meal. Eggs and avocado. Super easy, super simple, just to eat and sleep. So I do 4 egg whites. .5 ounces of avocado. Okay, just a little bit more. That's gonna be too much. Hmm? Okay, good. Here we go. Okay, so. And my full day is around, let me see. Okay, so my full day, I'm eating now, so I load my calories a little bit, and real life. So I'm eating around now 1,850 calories, and the carbs is 162 now. So I, like just in the last few days, I load my carbs a little bit, and fats is 54, and protein is 183. It's a little bit too high. So when I make the next change, will probably be low my protein, and but I did that change 2 days ago, and my weight already dropped it, this morning. So I might have to start doing like some days with higher carbs than this, before training and after training, just to kind of like keep my physique where it is, I'm really happy with progress pictures that I took today, and lean but still nice and full, so that's the goal. So I don't want to get leaner or like lose the fullness, so that's why I'll have to play with this. I think it'll be really hard for me to lower my calories, like as I always did for all my preps, like to around like 1,500. So I might just keeping around the lowest in the 1,800 calories, this time. It's just amazing, So the body's almost ready, like the back that I always tell you guys that is the last. It was almost clean, like the photos today. We can see the drop, we can see all the definition on the back. So yeah, we are pretty much, like ahead of time, and really happy because it's better, always better to be ready, like before than be struggling, like at the end. So these avocados I eat half with salt and half I just mash and add some stevia, and it's my dessert. This is the part that I'm gonna eat afterwards. This I'll add a little bit, oops, salt, so some stevia. And some salt. Add salt to this. Guys, help me. I don't think I did I? Okay, last meal, ready. So I'm gonna, like my last meal, I always like to have in bed, watching some show, you know, on TV, you know, some TV time with my husband. So I'm gonna take this to my room and relax a little bit and finish the day like that. I hope you guys like it to see what I eat, you know, like my whole day and all my calories, everything. I told you guys everything, how this prep is going. So I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment below, okay? Love you guys. See you all next week.